Welcome to this travel and history tip, and today we will be going up the Moki Dugway. The Moki what way? It is a road that is a two-wheel drive adventure. It is located in southeast Utah in beautiful canyon country near the Valley of the Gods and the Navajo Nation. This section of the country is great for regular highways, two-wheel drive, dirt roads, and four-wheel drive excursions. But today we'll take you on a two-wheel drive adventure.
All right, folks, we're going to take you for a ride up the Moki Dugway.
The partially paved and thrilling Moki Dugway is State Route 261, Trail of the Ancients.
If you have a seatbelt in your living room, you might want to go ahead and put it on.
The ultimate two-wheel drive adventure. On an 11% grade.
There's an exciting sign to see out west. Three miles.
3 miles of switchbacks. In the 1950s, during the uranium boom at the Cedar Mesa mines, Texas Zinc Minerals, a uranium company, built the Moki Dugway. What is a dugway? A dugway is a road or trail along a hillside. The road is exceedingly rough and washboard, but it is a super thrill. And the views to the southeast are so amazing. Dropping 1,100 feet into the classic cowboy and Indian scenery of the Valley of the Gods. We were heading up the Dugway to enjoy the sunset. We have 1.2 miles to go. You don't want to make a wrong turn on the Dugway. See the road below where we just traveled up? They provide several pullouts so you can pull over and park and see the gorgeous views, as shown here. It's a super thrilling thing to do in southeast Utah. But we enjoy sharing our travels across the beautiful United States of America. Some might consider this a white-knuckle trip. This is the large pull-out area that is situated at the top of the Moki Dugway. And here are some of the expansive views. We have a number of geocaches placed in this region.
right, we finally made it back to pavement, and now we will take you to one of our geocaches. All right, guys, we're going to show you where one of our geocaches happens to be, and we're just kind of parked over here in the bush. We'll take a little stroll down here and we'll check it out. Make sure it's still there. Across the road and I'll pick right back up. Here we go.
We took a little snack for our time up at Room with a View. And boy, is it a room with a view.
There it is down there. Let's go show you the view right quick first.
The road down there leads to Gooseneck State Park and to the Valley of the Gods and many other sites in southeast Utah.
A nice little cozy room with a view, huh? Room with a view geocache.
You can see on the Moki Dugway sign, many people have put stickers and written on it. It's just one of those fun things to do at these roadside attractions. And here are some more views of the Moki Dugway. You just got to do it. You just got to do it. Traveling from Highway 95, the Bicentennial Highway, you will reach this sign that warns you that in 23 miles, you will be reaching the 10% grades and switchbacks and a narrow gravel road. And there is another warning at 3 miles. Speed limit, 5 miles per hour. Picture perfect. Living on the edge. Quite the road, wouldn't you say? It's at 6,000 feet elevation. We have 3 books. They're called Off and On, The Beaten Path, The Unclassic Road Trip. There's the Eastern Edition, the Central Edition, and the Western Edition, where you will find the gorgeous state of Utah and information on places such as the Moki Dugway. They're $18 each, plus $4 shipping and handling. If you order all 3 books, there is no charge for shipping. You can call, text, or order online at danasbooks.net. These will make excellent Christmas gifts for the traveler in your family, the historian in your family, the armchair traveler in your family, or if you know of a homeschool family. They're just great for anyone that loves our nation and loves to learn about the United States. And don't forget to visit my site, danasbooks.net, to watch more videos of exciting places across this wonderful nation. Share our videos with friends and family. Subscribe to our channels. Help us grow our channels by subscribing, liking, and leaving a comment. American history. Learn it. Love it. Appreciate it. Don't let them steal our history. Treasure our American history. Thank you.